pleasure to welcome today's Sabha that comprises of all scholars and wise men in art, but who at the same time sail in the boat of Vinaya, modesty, having swum in the ocean of Anubhuti, wisdom. What greater honor would an actor want than the reception of her work by a worthy connoisseur? The artists of today are indeed blessed to perform for such an elite sabha. With the warmth, great warmth of reverence and adoration, Bharat Nritya Shala welcomes the legendary versatile personality, Dr. Padma Subramaniam, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the evening. With our souls drenched in wonder and devotion, we welcome the unparalleled scholar and multilingual poet, Shatavadani Dr. R. Ganesh, who has kindly agreed to be today's guest of honor. Welcome you, sir. Their very presence is electrifying and vibrant of the extraordinary artistic experience. We are pleased to have with us the Veena Vidwan, Shri Kannan Balakrishnan, dances, vocalist, and Sanskrit scholar, Dr. Gayatri Kannan, Kumari Mahati, an acclaimed child artist, and Chiranjeevi Shyam. With us today are eminent and dedicated Nritya Gurus, disciples, scholars, artists, parents, the press, Sabhapatis, etc., who are known differently by the role they play, but who finally have the honor of being addressed as the connoisseurs of art. With us is the renowned Sahiti, Dr. Srimati Dwaraki Krishna Swami, the Rajendras, Srimati Nirupama Rajendra and Rajendras, I believe they have come, and all the other acclaimed artists who have been kind enough to accept the invitation and make their valuable presence today. A hearty welcome to one and all of you for giving your invaluable time and sharing with us our invaluable Ananda. Bharat Nritya Shala presents before you a Bharat Nritya Pradarshana. Bharat Nritya Shala was founded by Kala Tapaswini Guru Srimati Sundari Santanam. She has left behind her invaluable contributions that her student folk would present as glimpses today. Srimati Sundari Santanam was a staunch follower of Bharatanatrya style of her guru, Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Her dedication to her guru and her art sculpted her into a great artist. Her dedication led her to reconstruct the Desi Karanas of Sangeeta Ratnakara under the Senior Research Fellowship Government of India that was awarded to her. Besides this, she adorned her personality with a complete womanhood that is cherished as an immortal embellishment by all her nears and dears. In short, she was a rare confluence of a dedicated disciple, a compassionate guru, loving wife and a mother, a creative artist, and above all, an unconditional devotee. Today's performance is a humble dedication to her by her disciples. Bharat Nritya is an offspring of the genius of Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Dr. Padma Subramaniam, through the reconstruction of the 108 Karanas of Natya Shastra, has revived the Marga tradition that had gone into oblivion with time. The reconstruction was done through the correlated study of literature, sculptures, and inscriptions, coupled with her own self-experience as a dancer. Based on this research work, she has named her dance form as Bharat Nritya. Hence, today's performance is a Bharat Nritya presentation that incorporates the rich Angikas of the Karanas of Natya Shastra. A brief introduction about the artists of the evening. Today's artists are Srimati Harini Santanam, wife of Vivek Venkatraman, who is presently working as a vice president in an investment banking company. She also runs her mother's dance school, Bharat Nritya Shala, over the weekends since the past 3 years. She has been pursuing this art for over 25 years, having begun at the early age of 6. She completed her Arangetram in the year 1990. The second artist, Namita B. Rao, daughter of Sri Jayadeva Shastri and Srimati Honnamma Shastri, is presently pursuing dental at Rajarajeshwari Dental College and Hospital and is a fourth-year student. She has been learning dance from the age of 6 and for the last 14 years from the late Guru Srimati Sundari Santanam and is now continuing with under Srimati Harini Santanam. She completed her Arangetram in the year 2002. Nayana Somyaji, daughter of Dr. Ramesh Somyaji and Dr. Sudha Ramesh, is presently pursuing medicine at Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences and is a third-year student. She has been learning dance from the age of 6 and for the last 13 years from late Guru Srimati Sundari Santanam and is now continuing with Harini Santanam. She completed her Arangetram in the year 2004. All the 4 students, as a part of their school, have been a part of many performances, both solo and group, and have taken keen interest in running the school and being a part of the events organized by the school. I would like to extend on behalf of Bharatan Nritya Shala a warm welcome to acclaimed dance critic Dr. Surya Prasad, who joined us just now. We welcome you, sir. I would like to introduce to you the artists on the music ensemble. Nattuangam by Vidwan Sri Prasanna. Okal by Vidwan Sri Nandakumar. Mridangam by Vidwan Sri Lingaraju. Flute by Vidwan Sri Venugopal. Violin by Vidwan Dr. S. Natarajamurthy. A small introduction to the first piece of today's most awaited evening. The first piece is presented as a Purvarangam and Pushpanjali. We commence today's program with this Purvangam and Pushpanjali. Purvangam is a prayer song sung before any classical dance recital. Pushpanjali is an introductory dance in which the dancer offers flowers to God. This song is an excerpt from Dr. Padma Subramaniam and choreographed by Srimati Harini Vivek in Raga Arabi Tala Adi. This item will be performed by Harini, Srimati Harini, Kumari Diksha, Kumari Nayana, and Kumari Namita. It is a rich blend of the Marga and the Desi forms.
Jaya Sutta Purivasa Jaya Sutta Purivasa Jaya Mahajana Sabhesha Jaya Gaja Samharesha Jaya Kriti Vasesha Sri Kriti Vaseshwarar Jaya Mangalam Shri Balaturam Vigayik Shubha Mangalam Pancha Brahma Tirtha Kartavik Nitya Mangalam Bhakta Swaminathan Swaminathan Kripasriya Nitya Mangalam Shri Kriti Vaseshwara Jaya Mangalam लंबोदराय नमस्ते सकलाय नमस्ते नमस्ते गौरी सुधाय गणनाथ गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते नमस्ते
తం ధీం ధిగుతక్ ధిగుతక ధిగుతక తక తక ధిగుతక్ తక ధిగుతక ధిగుతక తక ధడుంగు తక ధిగుతక తక ధిగింతు తరిత్త తారిత్త రిత్త తారిత్త రిత్త రిత్త తత్త రిత్త తద్ధణత్త తారిత్త రిత్త రిత్త తరిత్త తాత ధిమిత్త తాత